Hello, beautiful people. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing good and everyone is fine. So, yes, today I'm here again to bring something special and simple and tasty to your kitchen. Today, I have planned to bring something dessert or something sweet to your kitchen to you because Christmas is just knocking at the door, and of course, New Year's is just approaching, isn't it? So it's time that we should get our cupcakes, muffins, sweets, mithais, that everything we like, isn't it? Yes. But guys, I have a bit confusion that I have planned either I will make cookies or muffins, but the choices are different and difficult because I like both and I can't show you the both recipe because it's difficult for me to shoot the both recipe and the video will also become very long. So what I will do is that I will make two sheets in which in one sheet I will write muffin and in other sheet we will write cookies. Yes, then I will give that both the sheet to my sister and she will pick one, and whichever she picks I will make that. Okay, and guys, promising you this video will be interesting, so please watch till the end and do subscribe to the channel. So let's move to my sister. So guys, she is my sister Samriddhi.
Hi.
And as you know, I have made these two sheets. In one sheet I have written cookies and in another I have written muffins. So now please bear with the construction part. Okay, so now I will shake it and she will choose one. Okay, so let's start.
I hope I pick muffins because I'm more into muffins. Yay, muffins!
Okay, it's muffins as you can see, and she's more into muffins as she likes muffins more, cakes and muffins. So I shall make muffins. So let's get started. Guys, to make it more interesting, I decided that my ingredients will be chosen by her. So I guess it will be more spicing up the video. So yes, let's start it. But here I am to say that the all-purpose flour, I mean maida and sugar and eggs will remain constant because I think there are the basic things we need for bakery. But the flavors and the textures will be chosen by her. So let's get started. So to begin with, first we need to choose our flavor. Yes, so I have here some bananas and some oranges like tutu. So now she will choose and I will make. So choose it. Which one you want?
I like oranges more, so I'll go for the oranges.
Okay, interesting. We will choose for orange. For the cocoa powder or the coffee? I know the answer.
Tough, but I'll go for the cocoa powder.
Okay, so last but not the least, we need to choose between the extract. Like this is the vanilla flavor, okay, and this is the vanilla extract. So this both are different, okay. So you need to choose one. I'm putting her a bit confused because I know she's confused. So I want to know what you will choose.
I don't know much about this, but I like to go for this.
I knew because she is known to this but not known to this. Okay, so I have my ingredients now. My oranges, my chocolate chips, my butter. So what's you're waiting for? Let's get cooking and
I'm excited.
Surely she will taste. She will come in end of the video. And so let's get started. Yes, I'm also quite excited because I have also not made orange muffins before. So let's get started.
Firstly, as I got orange, so I took out the orange juice and grated the orange pulp. So now I am taking 2 eggs because I am going to make 6 muffins, and if you are making more muffins, please take more eggs, and if you are vegetarian, you can skip the eggs as well. So now we will going to add the sugar. I am adding half cup of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of butter. So I am whisking it with an electric beater. You can use a hand blender as well. So now the thickness look good, so we can proceed to the other ingredients. So now I am adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of orange juice, Now I'm mixing it again. So now adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix it again. Add half a tablespoon of vanilla extract and a cup of all-purpose flour. So the proportion is like half cup of sugar and a cup full of maida, that is all-purpose flour. So mix it all together. And now let us add the grated orange peel, around a tablespoon. So mix it together. Ensure that there are no lumps, so you can here also add some milk if you want. So now I will be adding the choco chips and see the thickness look great. So now I have grated the cup like molds with butter and I'm putting the batter into it. So I will be baking 6 muffins and my cute little muffins are ready to go in the oven.
So guys, my muffins are in the oven. I'm baking in an OTG. You can bake in anything you like microwave or Indian style kadhai. So you can bake it there. I'm baking in the OTG, and after it is done, I will show you and I will take my sister's reaction. So let's wait.
Now after 30 minutes my muffins are done. It looks great, isn't it? It's very soft and very spongy. So I just took 2 to show you. So I decided that I will also dress one muffin for you. For that I will using 2 ingredients. Firstly, I will just take some powdered sugar and sieved in the muffin. Now let us take some chocolate syrup and just dress it along the way we like. I am just doing a simple decoration because I'm really bad at it, but let's see. Yeah, it looks good. So let us move to the next segment.
So guys, as you have seen, the muffin is ready and it looks great, isn't it?
Yes, I'm so excited.
So guys, it's ready. I have just dressed one and shown you. You can dress others as well. So the thing is that I have not used any baking soda or baking powder, so you can use it as it's for your choice. So let's not waste time and take a reaction to this muffin. So
I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so tasty! Wow, it's finger looking good, man. Wow, loving it. You guys should definitely try this.
So guys, with this we come to an end, and today's muffin was amazing. Yes?
Yes, absolutely.
It tastes great. I also tried for the first time and quite happy with the taste and overall thing. So lastly, we wish you a Merry Christmas
And Happy New Year.
Stay safe guys, and I hope this new year brings you lots of happiness, success and everything best. So stay connected to this amazing space, the Cream Bee's Knees. They provide you amazing stuff and they have been providing you. So please stay connected and please do subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we will meet soon. And thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye bye.